Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix motion not available for live wallpaper in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're having the issue that if you are trying to set a live photo as your live wallpaper, but you're having the issue that the motion for live wallpaper is not available. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first reason is that you have to disable your low power mode because it also affects motion on your iPhone. So very first you have to turn off or disable your low power mode. So you just have to open your settings and then go for battery, and here you will get the power mode. Select that, and if you find low power mode, if you have find this enabled, so you just have to disable it first. And once you have disabled low power mode, so you have to retry, or if your low power mode is not enabled but you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, so you just have to check for your motion settings on your iPhone. So you have to open your settings, go for accessibility, go for motion settings, and you have to make sure that your reduce motion option is disabled like that, or if you find it's enabled, so you have to disable it first. And after that, now what you have to do, you have to retake the same photo because sometimes it might be that there's many bug into your photo, so you must have to retake your photo, or you can try to update your software. So go for settings, go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software, or if you find any pending software update, try to update that. And after that, you just have to open up your camera, and here you have to retake live photos. So has options, and you have to enable this live photo option from here. And once you have enabled, now you simply have to take a live photo. So here I have just taken a live photo. Now I'm going to set this as my own wallpaper. So tap on the share option here, then select use as wallpaper, and here you'll find a live option here. So you just have to wait for its loading, and then you have to enable this live wallpaper option here. Once you have enabled this, you just have to simply tap on this add option, then tap on the set as wallpaper pair. And once you have done, your wallpaper has been successfully set. So in this way, you can easily set a live wallpaper without the motion issue on your wallpaper. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.